Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear viewers, today we will see how to create simple graph using values to be plotted along x-axis and y-axis. Then from these values we will interpolate the y value for given x value. Here one type of data f prime c along x-axis will be plotted, and related to that data two types of data, that means alpha and beta, will be plotted along y-axis, because we need to find out the values for two parameters, that those are alpha and beta, along y-axis for a given value of f prime c that is plotted along x-axis. We will show how to interpolate the values of alpha and beta for the given value of f prime c, and also we will see this interpolate values in created graph that will show our interpolated result with graphical representation. Here if we change value of f prime c, for example 5400, here we will see the change. After changing the value, press enter. Here you can see the value of f prime c 5400. For this value our required or desired value of alpha and beta has been shown here. Here is the interpolated value or target value of alpha and target value of beta, and these values are shown in the graph very nicely. So let's see how to do this very easily. This is an example of graph which we will use in this tutorial. This graph is coming from alpha equals to 0.72 when f prime c less or equal than 4000 psi, and decreases by 0.04 every 1000 psi above 4000 to 8000. So this values we will take in a table, then from that we will create graph. So let's start. Here we will take x-axis value first. F prime c we will take first. F prime c, our graph is starting from 0 and finishing at 10,000. 0, 2000, 4000, 6000, 8000, 10,000. This is our x-axis value. Here we can take alpha value. Here beta, our alpha value. Here we can see this is used in stress strain curve to find out the neutral axis distance from here to here. C equal to rho fyd divided by alpha f prime c. To determine this one we need the value of alpha. So here alpha equals to 0.72 for 4000 f prime c, 0.72, and then what it is saying, decreases by 0.04 for every 1000 psi. So it will be decreasing 0.72 minus 0.04 into every 1000 psi, 4000 to 6000. So here we can take the value of A5, that means this cell A5 minus this one A4 divided by 1000, every 1000 psi. Okay, so 6000 psi value, alpha value is coming 0.64. Here you can see 6000 psi, here 0.64, and up to 8000 psi this decreasing will happen up to 8000, then straight line, and 4000 to left side this values straight line, only decreasing from 4000 to 8000. So here we can copy this one, then here we can put the value. In this case our cell will be A6 to A4, then the value is coming 0.56. Here we can see this value, here 0.5, so above this 0.56, here is the value, and this value will be set for 10,000 psi test test value, and this value will be same for 2000 psi, and here 0 psi. 0 psi actually there is nothing. Here we can see this value going up to here 0 to 2000, that means here put our value 1000 psi. So here we can write 1000. So this is our x-axis value, this is y-axis value for alpha, y-axis value for beta. We will find now beta equals to 0.425 at the x value of 4000 psi, decreased by 0.025 for every 1000 psi. Now we can create a graph. Go to insert, then from here we will use this one. From here go to select data, add x value, this one, press enter, y values, this one, press enter. Here this series name we can write here alpha, click on OK. Then another one we will add x value, this one, press enter, y value, this one, press enter, this series name beta f prime c, click on OK. Here we can change our chart style without marker. Here change chart type, we can use this one without marker, click on OK. And if we want to see the title of x-axis and y-axis, we can select here axis titles and also chart title and legend. Here this one we can change, select data, edit. We can save our time to find out any symbol, find alpha symbol. Yes, this one copy, press Ctrl C, then here Ctrl V, click on OK, and this one type beta symbol, copy this one, then edit, Ctrl V, paste, click on OK. OK. Here then we can see this graph is for alpha, this one for beta. Axis title we can change, this one f prime c in psi, and this side beta alpha, like this, value of alpha beta. Write graph title alpha beta value for f prime c. In this way we can create a graph. Here click on this x-axis, then here maximum value we can type 10,000. Now we will create a table for our targeted value. For example, we have to find out the value of alpha and beta for 4600 psi. So we will write here 4600. Here we can write f prime c. To find out the value of alpha and beta, we have to take before and after value so that we can interpolate the values. Here our target f prime c is 4600. So 4600 value lies in between 4000 and 6000. So before this value is 4000, after this value is 6000. So we have to find out this value using index. Click on this function, go to index, click on OK. OK. Now we have to select the array from here to here, then press enter. Here mass this one 4600 mass with these values 1 column 1, and similarly we will find out the after value using this function copy here paste. Then we can edit this one to find out the after value plus 1. Click on OK. In this side we will find out this alpha value same way with respect to this 4600. We will use this function index. OK. Here we have to take array both this column, then mass this value with these columns comma 1 from this array column number 2, that means it will select the value from this column. Click on OK. So for 4000 here we can see the alpha value is 0.72, and now to find out the after value we will use same function, just we will provide plus 1 here. Click on OK. So here you can see next value for 6000 0.64. So target value of this one alpha equal to in between these two. For to find out this one we will use trend function. Trend, if you cannot find this here you can type here trend, then search, it will show you the searched function. Select this one, then click on OK. Use the second column, then for this one first column, this one to this target value, then click on OK. Targeted value for alpha this one from this interpolation. Same way we can find out targeted value of beta. So here we will change our array, this one, press enter, mass this value with these values, click on OK. This we can link up here, same f prime c value here also. Enter, then match this value with this column values, press enter. This one, click on OK. From here to here, press enter, match this value with these values, then column number 3 here, 3, press enter. So it will select the value of beta 0.425. Then same function we can copy here, then edit from here. Here we can type plus 1 so that it will select next value. this one. For 6000 beta value is 0.375. So copy this one, target value for here beta equal to, you can copy this one, then it will find out automatically this one, because the cell it will find similarly here the same position of this cell related to these cells. So for a prime C 4600, the target value of beta is 0.41 in between these two values. So interpolation done. Now if we want to see this interpolated values in our graph, we can do that one. To do that one, we have to find out the coordinates. Coordinate 1, somewhere x value 4600. So here put the value, we will find the value of our targeted f prime c. Y axis value here will be 0. Coordinate 2, here somewhere the value will be, so x value will be same this one, and y value will be the value of beta, this one desired value, this one. Coordinate 3, here somewhere the value will be, it will be same b10. These are f prime c value targeted, and targeted value for beta and alpha, this one alpha. So this is our coordinates. We will see in the graph. Select the graph and select data, add, here we can type desired value. X will be this one, press enter. Y will be here, this one, press enter, click on OK. So this is our line to show our desired value of beta and alpha at the targeted value of f prime c. Change this line style, we can make it solid line and make a dash type, and also here we can see the data level right side. From here we can format data level. We can see the x value also. We can see the x value for this point. So here it will show our desired value for f prime c, and with respect to that value we will get the values of alpha and beta in graph. And here we can change this series chart type, this one we can select, this one, click on OK. Now it will show our marker also. Here we can see the marker color, this one, fill, solid fill, this one. Okay, so now we have got our values for alpha and beta with respect to the 4600 psi. So in this way we can create a graph, and from that graph we can see the interpolated value. After creating this Excel sheet, if you need to find out alpha and beta for another value of f prime c, for example 5600 psi, then just change this one, then you will get the desired value of alpha and beta. So here we can mark it as red color to provide the input value only, and all other value will be changed automatically. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming important tutorials.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.